Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to my new trading channel, and here all we do is giving you tutorials on how we can trade peacefully, we can trade successfully with consistent profit. So here it is a Killer D, Mr. Killer D. And one thing I want to promise to my subscribers, you won't regret trading with Mr. Killer D. It's a new season. We continue for trading, and we are preparing for new coming year. So all I want to say is just to subscribe my channel, and we all are together trading together. And later on I'll be giving the link for Telegram and WhatsApp and so on, so we can meet and discuss some issues. But what I want to talk with you, what I want to teach you today is all remaining about divergence trading strategy. It is a big strategy, it is a profitable strategy. Remember, in this world no strategy is 100% accurate, as 100 accurate. So all we do is managing money, and good money management, and having consistent profit. So in this divergence strategy, we all need have only one indicator. We need the stochastic oscillator, as you see here in my chart, and we'll be looking for divergence means in main chart, in price, and in stochastic oscillator. And what another thing we need is a trend line. We need to have a trend line. Trend line will help in knowing where we are going to take our profit, or to trail loss, to trail stop loss, to trail our stop loss. So how do we use them? We are only looking maybe let's look on, for example, here price is trending upward and making higher high. So high, that is main chart. But in stochastic oscillator, you look something like price is making lower low. So when in our main chart price is making high, but in stochastic is making low, this is our entry point. And we are going to take our profit on the trend line touch, on the touch of a trend line. So let's look for the concept behind this. Let's look about bullish divergences. So for example, here let me draw a line. Draw your line here. Price is making higher high. Here it is higher, but in your stochastic oscillator, looking for green line, price is making lower low. Let me draw it so you can see it clear. Stochastic oscillator tell us price is making lower low, mean if this is the main chart, price is going high, but in stochastic oscillator it shows it's going down. That is mean divergence. That's what they are, divergence. And another confluence you can add in your trading divergence is a formation market prints. Either an armor, inverted armor, or a pin bar for bearish divergence. So when we enter after the closure of this candle, inverted armor or a pin bar, or we are enter clear about when prices start to touch this, when this green line starts to touch and cross a red line in stochastic oscillator. That's where we take our trade. And where are we going to exit? Where are we going to take a profit? We are going to take a profit, so we have to draw our trend line. As we said, that trend line will be used to tell us where are we going to take a profit. Your trend line must be below here, connecting 2 or more points upward, 2 or more points upward. So that's where we are going to take our first profit. We are going to take our profit there. But when a trend line is broken, because this may be in trending market, in price may be in a trending channel. So when a trend line is broken, we take another entry. When a trend line is broken, and we are going to take your profit on the previous lower low, So here it's our second entry, but first take a profit is this point. That's our first take a profit. Let's look on another example. So another example, we are just looking about the bullish divergence in this one. As you see, the price is making higher high there. Price made high, but in stochastic oscillator, price made low like this. So let me expand my chart. So after seeing that, you will have to enter after close of the second candle, which shows a bullish momentum is now high. So you will enter there, or you have to enter after the touch of this red line in stochastic oscillator here. So where are we going to take your profit? We are connecting 2 points by drawing a trend line from here, I think, and up to there. We continue so we can know where is our TP. So by then here it's our TP. So it's simple like that, and you have to exit. Then you will enter again when your trend line is broken for your own risk. Your trend line is broken, maybe and retested like this, So trend line is broken and retested, and you have to look on the previous lower low for your take profit. Previous lower low, which is this one, 82.36 here. So 82.36 will be your first, it will be your second profit taking, but you have to trail it, because price may reverse. You have to trail stop loss, as I said before. So that's the second example. And another example is this one. We see that price is making lower low. You have to know that there are two kinds of divergence, either clear divergence or hidden divergence. You see the difference? Price is making lower low, but stochastic oscillator make higher high. So you have to enter after the closure of this candle showing the bearish momentum, which is an hammer or something like pinbar, and where you have to take your profit. Just to draw trend line connecting 2 or more points. Your trend line is this one, so that's where you take your profit. If trend line is broken, and something like retest is being retested here, price retested this level, retested this zone here, enter at the end of after test, enter and trail stop loss, or you may take a profit on the previous lower low. So don't make this video too long. I drop a link in description for another video so we can look on the bullish divergence trading, how we take trades on a bullish divergence trading. That was about bearish divergence trading. Let me look just a last example. So this is a good strategy, just backtest and make it real live account, make it tradable. As you see, this price is making high, something like high here. Something like high here. But divergence shows it is trending down, so you will enter, and where we are going to take a profit, we are just connecting trend line. This is can be traded as a scalping strategy or even day trading strategy in higher time frames. So we scalp from here up to here, 80 pips after the break of trend line. Wait for a test or just enter and put your stop loss above the previous candle and continue take a profit from on the previous low. So that's how is it, guys. If you are not subscribed on this channel, if you are new, I know most of all are new, just subscribe for other videos, hit some like button of this video and drop a comment below. Will this strategy be helpful for you? Thank you.